Okay, let's take a start with IELTS speaking part 1. I'm going to ask you a number of different questions and you can give me short answers in 5 to 6 sentences. So let's take a start. Do you often read newspapers?
Well, I read newspaper on daily basis. I read business recorder on regularly. I am accountant and I came to know what is happening.
I come to know.
I came to know what is happening in world economy as well as Pakistan and where it's going through.
Okay, so to answer your question, I read newspaper every day.
Yeah.
Which do you prefer, reading magazines or newspapers?
I preferably read newspaper, business blogs and financial articles. But sometimes I read magazine too.
Okay, so you can just add a little more to it, right? Right. What kind of newspapers do you usually read? As you've already mentioned, Business Recorder. So just proceed that answer and speak about it in a different way. So what kind of newspapers do you usually read?
Just I read business recorder. I am accountant and I am little bit interested in world economy and financial regime in world.
Okay.
And I want to know what is happening in the financial market in the world.
All right. So to answer your question, I often read business newspapers. They are my favorite. All right. Do you think it is important to read a newspaper?
Yes, it is very important to read the newspaper because it's aware from what is happening in the world and around you and what is going what
is going on?
What is going on.
Okay, so I think it is very crucial to read newspaper so that you keep up with the latest world news and you know what's happening. Okay, that's fine. Just try to work hard, be familiar with these topics, and for every answer, you should give a different portion of your answer, right? Let's go on. Do you like robots? Come closer to the mic.
Yes. Nowadays, robots, life or machine. Everyone, I like robots because of that. Nowadays, robots are cleaning the room and making some coffee. Robots like in restaurant.
Okay, so I like robots very much because they are very useful to human being. They are making coffee, cleaning the rooms, working in the restaurants. So to answer your question, I love robots or I love robotic science. Different words, right? Let's go on. What kind of robot would you like to have?
I would like to have robots. I have heard the robots like cleaning the room and in engine making,
car making robots,
and otherwise I like robots in restaurant.
Okay. Will robots change society significantly?
Yes, nowadays robots change significantly in society. In these days, everywhere robots are good in big cities. Because of that, there are large restaurants and homes. They prefer for robots. In that way, I like robots.
Okay, it's better, but still you need to work hard with your sentence structure, grammar. Now you have the content, you have understanding of the question, but still the language side is weak. You need to focus on that, okay? All right, thank you.